Hi everyone, this is Shirley from Karma Speaker and Karma CRM. Today we're going to learn how to send email templates to contacts, companies or organizations, and deals and gigs. We will cover sending both an email template one at a time, along with sending the same email template to more than one contact or company at the same time. Any users can use the email templates provided that they have their email integration added to their account. If you just set up the email integration, you may need to wait up to 24 hours before you're able to use the email template. All users, regardless of their role on the account, can use any email template created. If you want to send a one-off email to anyone on your account, you can use the method shown in this video, but instead of applying the template, just type out the email instead. Make sure to watch our other videos on how to create and edit an email template so you have something to send to people. So before we begin, let's talk about spam and spam limits within email providers. This may require a phone call or an email to your email provider, but don't put it off because it's very important to know what your limits are so that you're not blacklisted. If they say you can only send 300 emails within a 24-hour period, you must follow that, and there's nothing within Karma to keep you from going over that limit. You'll also need to know how many you can send at a time. I find a safe limit is about 50 emails every 20 minutes, which works out really well for those that are using Google-based email addresses. Karma does help you out a little bit though. You can't send out more than 500 emails per day, which seems to be about the average limit for most providers. We also don't allow you to send more than one page at a time from your list view. You can increase the number of items on your page from 10, which is the default, to 50 in your settings section. Okay, so enough about rules, let's get started. To send an email to an individual contact, company, or deal, there's several ways you can do this. The first way only works with contacts or companies. You can click any email address and the email box will pop up. So this means your dashboard, on a list, or inside the contact or company. When that box pops up, look for Apply a Template. Click on it to make the drop-down menu appear and find the template you want to send and click Send. The other way to send an email to an individual contact or company, and this time it works with deals, is to go inside of that section of Karma, scroll down and look for an Add a Note section. Click the label that says Send an Email. Now we can click Apply a Template button, find the template we want, and then click Send. If you want to send multiple emails at a time with the same email template, we call this bulk emailing. Bulk emailing is only available in the list view of the contacts or companies, so no deals for this one. If you need to filter your list, you'll need to do so before bulk emailing. After filtering, I like to sort my list by name. This gives you a rough visual guide as to where you're at in the list, along with avoiding any potential duplication of email sending whenever you switch the pages. If you're going to send an email to everybody that's on one page, click the box that's to the left of the first column. Generally, this is first name or name. This will select everything on the page. If you only want to send to specific items within that page instead of everything, check the boxes next to what you want to send to, and then we're going to look at the top of the page for the bulk update menu. Click on that drop-down box and then select Send an Email. Within this box, you're going to see all the people that you're emailing on the right-hand side. If there's no email address associated to that contact, they'll just have like a strikeout and you won't be able to email them and they won't count against your total for the day. Find the Apply a Template box, find the template you would like to use, and then click Send. If you have any issues when sending email, whether it's bulk emailing or sending individually, it's generally because of a bad email address. I found that most of the time that's because of a dropped com at the end of an email address, so it'd be like Shirley@gmail instead of Shirley@gmail.com. If you fix that email address, then it should send out no problem. Make sure to check out our other videos to see what features we have covered. If there's anything that you would like to see us do a feature on, please let the support team know. Thanks for watching.